Okay, welcome everyone. I'm going to open the file summary.csv. So to do that, I just press vi space summary.csv. And already I can see these columns are not lined up very well. That's because the lines are wrapping around. So you can see here I have 108, then 108, but there's something in between these 108s. So to fix that, I'm going to press colon and set space no wrap. That causes the wrapping to go away. And let's see what else we have here. So all the columns are looking quite nice, but then suddenly some of the columns are not looking so nice. So how do we fix that? One way to fix that is to make a rectangular block. So to do that, I pressed Control V. That makes a visual block. And as you can see at the bottom, it says visual block. Then I make this rectangular block by using the arrow buttons, the up and down and left and right. I make this rectangular block and then I press X. That just removes everything in the rectangular block. Okay, here I'm going to do that again to remove that white space over there. And now I see I'm going to be doing this over and over again a few times. So I'm going to show you another trick. Control V, and I just highlight the block of text that I want to delete. Remember how to delete it, press X. Now, instead of highlighting that block over and over and over again, Control V, left, right, up, down, there's too many buttons to press. So I'm just going to repeat the last command that I did. I'm going to press dot, and dot, 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 dot,